Hi, good afternoon everyone. I hope nag-enjoy lahat sa Christmas party natin ngayong taon. So, first, on behalf of my family, I would like to take this opportunity to thank everyone who helped us in making this day memorable. Firstly, sa suppliers po namin, namely, Villa Leoncia Events Place, Nilo, Mark's Homemade Ice Cream, Practice Lechon, Yes, Local Delicacies, and to Beautiful Creations by Jade Sorabella. Yeah, thank you for accommodating all our requests. Alam ko ang dami na may requests, pero you still managed to accommodate us. Anyway, thank you din po for everyone's contribution, and especially to Ninang Lani and also to Ate Laya for giving us additional pledges for today's event. Lahat ng vision na to, hindi siya possible without your help po and support. Also, to our wonderful attendees, thank you so much sa presence niyo po and for your active participation po sa lahat ng activities natin. Mula umaga, alam kong na-drain ba yung energy ng lahat? Kasi sobrang game na game sa lahat ng sa Peria Games. Grabe yung effort nila, pero na-overwhelm lang din kasi ako sa support ng lahat. Kasi thank you. Also, I would like to thank Marlon for helping us sa paggawa ng Peria Games. For around 3 months namin siyang nag-brainstorm kami, naggumawa ng yung lahat ng mga...
Kumitin mo lang yung mga ticket no?
Hindi! Siyempre nag-ano kami brainstorming doon.
Level up na talaga.
Thank you sa creativity mo. So, I hope
naiiyak si Mitch, guys. Sobrang na-overwhelmed with everything na ginawa, no? During our planning as well, sobrang effort talaga nila. Lahat pinag-isipan, even the tickets, di ba? Akala natin, hindi natin ma-achieve yung 700, yung mga 200 tickets. Pero you did it great, guys. So, at I hope nag-enjoy kayo. And thank you so much sa team ni Mitch.
Yes, looking forward din ako sa future events pa na magkakasama tayong buong pamilya. So yun, thank you so much and Merry Christmas to all.
Yes! Thank you so much. Again, pala pa natin si Mitch, no? And of course, with the help of his husband, Ivan, no? Si Sir Ivan talaga yung invite sa akin din. Ayan, kung wala dalawa itong mag-asawang to, and of course, the family of Mitch, Tito Frank, maraming salamat. Tito Frank, do you have anything to say? Tito Frank.